Good going by the West Indies. Athletics news now. Jamaica's two-time Olympic sprint double champion Thompson-Herah says a powerful mindset carried her through the last 20 months dealing with an Achilles tendon injury. This as she returned to competition with a 7.24 seconds clocking for third over 60 meters at Saturday's Camperdown Classic at the Ashenheim Stadium in Kingston. Denise Walters reports.
The road to recovery wasn't easy, but five-time Olympic gold medalist Thompson-Herah is happy to be back on track after more than a season on the sideline. Our rusty Thompson-Herah recovered from a sluggish start to finish quickly in 7.24 seconds behind fellow Jamaican Lavanya Williams, who ran a personal best 7.17 seconds, and Shanika Bascom of Trinidad and Tobago 7.23 seconds.
First, I have to give God thanks, to carry me that race through healthy. I'm grateful, I'm thankful, and I'm satisfied, many more races to come. So that was like a months and years of rust. So I'm pretty grateful for that race, of course. It was fun. It's pretty much like a part of training. So I was to have fun, work on stuff that I'm working on in practice, and just to feel about myself, no pain, of course. So I'm just excited and grateful to take on many more races.
Thompson-Herah, who had to be taken off the track following her previous race over 100 meters at the USA Track and Field New York City Grand Prix on June 9, 2024 due to the injury, says the result was secondary to simply being back on the track.
That's a tough one, but I think I have more to accomplish, and I have not accomplished that as yet. So to have that powerful mindset, it has been tough. But, I know I have more in store. I don't know what God have in store, but I know I have more. So I'm just here to just, continue to do what I love, have fun. And what motivates me, is just see how much I can bounce back from this, because I know what I'm capable of. So I have to just come out here and just, be humble and satisfied and grateful at the same time, and it's all about having fun, and just give God thanks all the time.
While she hinted at personal targets for the season, she kept her plans close to her chest.
But I will not share. I'll continue to work on that. Sometimes go to work in silence, and that's what I'm doing right now. So by now in September, hopefully, I'll unleash something, hopefully. But I'm just hoping for the best, just to stay healthy, of course, because health is important. So, yes.